Thank you for participating in the SmallBites Adventure Club. Before you get started, let's review a few safety tips. As soon as your box is delivered, unpack and place in the refrigerator between 34 and 38 degrees. Be sure to use it within 5 days. Any leftovers should be refrigerated immediately after the taste test and used within 2 days. Before beginning the cooking activity, adults should review the ingredients list found in the information packet sent to you. Confirm with students, school nurse, and parents that there are no food allergies. If you need to alter a recipe to meet your students' needs, now is the time to do this. Wet your hands with clean running water and apply soap. Lather your hands, rubbing them together with the soap. Be sure to lather the backs of your hands, between your fingers, and under your nails. Scrub your hands for at least 20 seconds. Rinse your hands well under clean running water. Dry your hands using a clean towel or air dry them. Once your hands are clean, keep them clean. Your hands are now tools for cooking, so only let them touch tools and food. You can hold them together and pretend you're catching a fairy. Thoroughly wash fruits, vegetables, and herbs under running water. Gently pat dry with a paper towel. Only use plastic or child-safe nylon knives with children. While plastic and nylon knives are not very sharp, it's important to use with caution. Always practice safe knife skills under adult supervision. When not in use, adults should always keep the blade out of reach of children. Use a cutting board or mat for cutting with the nylon knife. If the cutting board slips on the table, a wet paper towel should be placed beneath it. The bridge cut is a common technique and works well with round vegetables like lemons. To make a bridge cut, place your non-dominant hand like a bridge over the vegetables. With your dominant hand, carefully place the nylon knife under the bridge and use a low and slow sawing motion. Claw and saw is a technique that works well on vegetables that don't roll. To use claw and saw, shape your non-dominant hand like a claw, holding the vegetable in place. With your dominant hand, hold the handle of the nylon knife and use the sawing motion. Thank you for watching this safety video. Safety tips are also included in your packet. Enjoy your SmallBites adventure!